So we're gonna do a 5-minute, 6-minute video to stretch the neck, shoulders, and some of the back and hamstrings. So grab that yoga strap that I gave you, it's red, grab that. I'm gonna use a scarf because I don't have mine here, and make sure you've got a wall or something that you can put your hands on. Everything we're gonna do is from a standing position, so we don't have to sit or lie down. Let's go. So first, I'm gonna put the camera down a little. First, what we're gonna do is keep your strap to the right of you. Take your feet about hip width distance apart, maybe even shoulder. I like shoulder, some people like more narrow. Go ahead and place your hands on your hips here, bend the knees slightly, and slowly roll forward. Engage your core. Engage your core, and bring your hands either down to the ground or down to the shins. I like the shins, I think it's best. From here, go ahead and inhale, straighten the legs. Bring your arms or your hands a little further up the leg. Exhale, bend the knees, fold forward as much as you can. Drop the head. Inhale, come back up, straighten the legs a little bit more. Hands come up the leg. And exhale, lower down, getting that stretch in the back of the leg. Come up one more time, inhale. And exhale, lower down, bringing your hands either to the ground or your shins. Now, we're stretching the backs of our legs. The backs of the legs are connected to some issues that people can have in the back. So if you've got a tight back, especially lower back, you actually want to stretch the hamstrings. Take some deep breaths. Maybe introduce your Yahweh mantra. If you'd like now, you can grab your strap and bring the strap underneath the right foot, right below the ball of the foot, so like where your arch is. Choke up as much as you can on the strap with your right hand. Let the slack go to the right hand side. Good. From here, take your left hand to your hip. Straighten out your legs as much as you feel comfortable doing. And if you want to, you can even reach your left arm forward or bring your left arm up and your gaze can go up. Take some deep breaths here. So you're pulling up on the strap with your hand, but pressing firmly down with your foot. Maybe even getting some muscular engagement in that right leg. From here, bring the left hand down, switch the strap over to the left foot, again to where the arch of the foot is, right below the ball of the foot. Let your slack come over to the left side, grab with the left hand, bring the right hand to your hip. Straighten your legs, bow forward as much as you'd like. And if you want to, your gaze can go up to the right. Maybe the arm comes up or the arm can reach forward. Press down with the left foot, pull up with the strap. Feel that engagement in your legs. If it's okay if they start to shake, take some deep breaths. One more long, deep breath here. Bring your right hand back to your hip, release the strap on the ground, and slowly engage your core, roll all the way up to standing. Protect the lower back, come on up. Now I'm gonna have to put my butt towards you, but it's not something you haven't seen before. Bring your hands to your wall. And what you're gonna do here is you're gonna step back until your arms are outstretched. And then what you're gonna do is bow your chest forward. So let's pretend this is the wall. Bow your chest forward, let your neck hang. Straighten the legs as much as you'd like, or keep a little bit of a bend. It's your choice. Whatever feels good. Take some deep breaths. One more deep breath. And slowly walk your feet towards the wall and grab that strap again. From here, take the strap a little bit wider than your shoulders. Reach the strap above your head. Bring your legs either hip width or shoulder. You decide where you're feeling comfortable. And from here, puff out the chest. Draw the strap back behind you. Gaze can go up. Take a big exhale out through the mouth or nose. Dome forward. So rolling the chest forward, rolling the shoulders forward. Reach out in front of you. Reach, reach, reach. Inhale, come up to standing. Come on back. Puff out the chest. Arms go behind you. They don't have to go as far as mine. I have mom's joints. Very mobile. Take another deep breath, roll forward, chin into your chest. Really reach out in front of you here. Reach through the shoulders. Inhale, bring it back one last time. And exhale, reach it forward. So imagine you had angel wings. So can you kind of think of where angel wings would go on your back? Imagine that you're trying to spread them apart. So really reach forward with your shoulders. And then from here, go ahead and come up to standing, drop your strap down. We're gonna get into the neck a little bit now. So what you're gonna do is chuck your chin into your chest. Take your arms, bring them down. Roll your shoulders away from your ears. You may feel this in your upper back and neck. We're gonna do something called the Billie Jean. So remember the song, Billie Jean is not my lover. You know that song? That's what we're about to do. So you know how Michael Jackson used to look down at the ground? You go, whoosh. We're gonna do that, but we're more controlled. So go ahead and look over to the right. Keep your chin tucked into your chest. Take your left hand, bring it around your lower back. Take your right hand, come to the top of the head. Apply a tiny, tiny bit of pressure. Think about bringing your left shoulder down. Down, 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 and making space on that left side of the neck. Take some deep breaths. One more deep breath. Roll your chin into your neck or chest and look over to the left side. One side might be tighter than the other. Bring the right hand around the lower back, draw the shoulder down. Bring the left hand to the top of the head, applying a little bit of pressure. Be very gentle here. Gentle, gentle. Again, think about bringing the right shoulder down, keeping the chin tucked in. Take your deep breaths. One more deep breath. And from here, release your hands. One more bonus if you want it. Take your hands to your chest. To your chest. Pull the skin down. Go ahead and bring your chin up towards the sky as you pull down on your skin. If you want even more, take your teeth and bring it as an underbite and go like this. So we're looking up. Our teeth are over, the front, back teeth are over the front of the teeth. We're pulling down on the skin. You should feel a nice stretch to the front of your neck. We need to stretch this when we're looking down at our phones and computers all day. Pull down, pull down. And when you're ready, you can let that go. Hopefully you get going with your day. I love you. Week number 1, we'll do week number 2 soon. Bye, love you, Dad.